So when you want to introduce yourself, you start by saying your name. And your name, you say, this is Nyi, Nyi, Nga, Nyi, Nga. So, Nyi, Nga, N. So, like my name is Agina, I would say Nyinga N Agina. So, or I am called Agina. So, Iluonga Ni. So, Iluonga Ni. So, that's an I. Ilu O Nga. Iluonga Ni. Then you write your name, okay? Your name goes here. Let me put it like that. Iluonga Ni or Nyinga N. So when you meet somebody, you just say, you first greet them. You will first greet. Let's say you're told, hey, come and introduce yourself. Then the first thing you say is, Oyaoreuru. Good morning, everyone. Nyinga en Otieno. Or when it's night, you can say, Oimore. Oimoreuru. Nyinga en. Then you write your name. Your name goes there, okay? So I hope this is a very clear way of introducing yourself. You'll not forget. And that is how you start. You start by saying greetings or Yawore or Yawore or Yaworeuru or Yaworeuru. Nyinga en Awino or Oyaworeuru. Iluonga ni Awino or O I Mo Re Oimoreuru. Iluonga ni. Iluonga ni, and then you write your name, okay? I hope this gives you an idea of what you're supposed to say when you introduce your